boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. And I have some special helpers today. I have Mr. Seth.
Hi.
I have Mr. Carter.
Hi.
I have Miss Christiana. And I have Miss Summer.
Hi.
And boys and girls, I am so excited today. I had so much fun creating this recipe. You know why?
Why?
It has my favorite nut in it. What do you think my favorite nut is?
Peanuts.
Oh, you're right. The name of this recipe, I decided, would be
What?
Little Nutter Butters. What do you think of that?
These are they little like this?
Well, not like that, but they're little like this.
Oh.
Does that sound good? Okay, let's get started. You girls can share a bowl and you boys can share a bowl. How about that? Now I've already measured everything, so all you have to do is pour it in. But I'm going to tell the boys and girls what we put in it, because what am I looking at down here?
A recipe.
What's a recipe?
It tells you how much to put in of everything, and it tells you what to put in.
That's right. But why do I have to follow a recipe?
Because otherwise it won't taste good. If you get too much of something, it'll taste different. If you get too little of something, it won't taste the same either.
That's right. So boys and girls, you have to be very careful to follow the recipe. And for this one, we're going to put in a half a cup of melted margarine, 2 cups of creamy peanut butter. So you know what? We'll get started. I'm going to put the margarine in last. So you want to put the peanut butter in. And then we're going to have 3 cups of ground really fine graham cracker crumbs. You know what, Christiana, do you want to hold the bowl while Summer, let's work as a team. You hold the bowl. Good job. And then you guys use your spatulas. See, boys and girls, how they're using their spatulas? Spatulas are so nice when you want to get all your ingredients out of your bowl. Spatulas work wonderful. And you can just, get it, scrape it on the side, Carter, and that way you can get it all out. Ooh, that looks so good. Because this has peanut butter in it. It has chopped peanuts in it.
They're all your favorite. Mine.
Good job. Okay, now, Christiana and Seth, you can put in our 3 cups of graham cracker crumbs. Okay? And what we did was we bought some graham crackers and ground them up in our blender.
Pour it in all?
Yes, I'll put it all in. Then it's going to take 3/4 cup of your ground peanuts, and then it's going to take maple syrup. Oh, go ahead. You can put it in. Maple syrup, and then put in your margarine. Okay, here, Seth, you can put in your margarine. Look how easy this is, boys and girls.
Want me to help you?
You can put your bowl right in there. And I have towels for you too, so you can clean your hands. Okay, and put your margarine in. Here, Christiana, put the margarine in. There you go. Good. And I have extra peanuts here. Do you know I have extra peanuts here?
Why?
Because I'm going to eat them while I'm watching you mix. Do you think that's really why I have them?
No.
No. We're going to sprinkle them on top. But I might sneak a couple.
So the birds don't eat them.
Because I love peanuts.
So the birds won't eat them.
Cinda,
That's good.
I love peanuts.
You do, Seth?
Me too. I like all the nuts.
Oh, good. Okay, now mix it up really good. You want to mix it. Be very careful while you're stirring it. Mix it up really good, okay? You want to get all that peanut butter mixed in. Oh, you're going to have to use muscles.
I got strong.
You're strong, Seth? You can do it?
Yeah, I'm strong enough. I can.
It already
get
smells
nails,
good.
hammer them down. So I think I'm strong enough to store.
And you guys, when you're mixing, hold your bowl. Carter, help him hold the bowl. And use your spatula to get your sides and get all this stuff off the top. Want me to help you? Look, you go like this. Get your spatula clean. Go all the way around like this, Carter. Now look, Carter, look. See that? And then you can scrape it off.
I think these work a little bit better.
You think that works better? You can use your wooden spoons. I have it both for you. So whatever you prefer, you can use. You can use the wooden spoon or the spatula, but you need to get it all mixed up good.
I think we have all ours mixed up.
Oh, well, you know what? These are glass bowls, so look what we can do.
What?
I don't think so. What do you think, boys and girls? Look at the bottom of that. Do you think they have that all mixed up? I don't think so. Look at all that powder on the bottom.
Can you move your
Oh,
Look at that. Whoa, look at all that.
you just thought you had it mixed up. Look. Get all those crumbs mixed up with the liquid. Okay? Ooh.
Miss Cinda, there are crumbs out.
There's crumbs out, but that's okay, Seth.
Sprinkle it back in.
Yep. And you know what? It's okay if we have a mess. You know why? We'll have fun cleaning it up. How is yours? Is yours all the way mixed up? Let me see if you have any. Oh, you guys got a little bit of powder left. You girls are actually doing very good. Let's get it a little bit more, Christiana. Get a little bit more. And get your sides really good. So boys and girls, when you're mixing it up, you want to make sure you get all those dry ingredients all mixed up together. You're going to have a real thick. Oh, you think you have it? Well, let me check. Let me check, Carter.
Flag.
You have a castle flag? Mm-hmm. Oh, you're waving the flag saying that you're all done? That's pretty creative. Okay, you know what? I think you are pretty close. So now let's clean off your spoons and your spatula. So boys and girls, you don't want to waste all these yummy ingredients. You want to scrape off your spoon and then scrape off your spatula. You girls, how are you doing over there?
Good.
Okay, I think you have it. You can scrape off your spoon and your spatula, and then we're going to make them into little tiny muffin tins. So, Carter, you work on this side. You guys work on this side, and fill the muffin tins with paper. And be really careful because they stick together. So you need to make sure you get them all. See, look at Christiana. There's like a whole bunch of those in there. That's good, Summer. See if you can fill every one, because I think we have plenty to fill all those. In fact, we're probably going to use another whole muffin tin.
Yeah. Can I have some?
Good job, guys.
I'm starting with the purple.
You're starting with the purple?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm going to wipe all this off for you.
Let me
There you go. You guys are so good in the kitchen. Who likes to be in the kitchen?
Me.
Ooh.
Okay, time for another one.
Oh, you know what? Oh, there you go. I don't have the other one. So now what you're going to do, get your spoons, and let me show you what you're going to do. Can I borrow one of your spoons? Can I borrow your spoon, Carter? So you're going to take a spoonful, and you're going to put it in the bottom like this. I'll do a middle one since I can reach a middle one. You're going to put it in the bottom like that, and then you're going to press it down. Real gently, press it down, okay?
So,
Okay?
Christiana, we're doing these ones.
You guys are doing this half. You boys are doing this half, okay? And you know what, Seth? You can come over here where Miss Cinda stands. Let's put this bowl like this, Carter. Here, you can come over here, Seth.
We're going to get these ones.
That way you can get in. Summer, do you want to come over too, or can you reach?
I can.
Okay. Good job. Isn't this fun?
Mm-hmm.
Has anybody tasted it? There's no egg in there, so you can taste it if you want.
Oh, okay. she is good.
Do you like it?
Uh-huh.
And when you get that all in there, you got to pat it down, you guys. Pat it down.
Cinda, can we use our hands?
Sure, you can use your fingers. You washed your hands before you came in the kitchen, so.
Uh-huh.
We always start with clean hands, don't we?
Uh-huh.
You got peanut butter on your arm. So you can pat it down. Just real gently pat it down. And then, boys and girls, what we're going to do is we're going to put them in the refrigerator and let them get cold.
Cinda, why do we keep them cold?
Well, because they'll firm up. And then guess what we're going to do? Miss Cinda's melted some carob on the stove, and we're gonna drizzle carob over them. And I have some that I've already made ahead of time, so they're in the refrigerator, all ready for you to drizzle.
Ooh.
So hurry up, because you guys are gonna get to drizzle them with carob. Oh, don't those look good? Oh, you're almost done. Okay. Phil.
Wow.
Good job.
Christiana, we are really close to being done.
Boys and girls, they're almost done. Yeah, they're all, look, don't they look good? Oh, you are gonna have to try these because they're delicious. Okay, you guys done? Pat them down.
There's one that still needs a little bit more.
Okay,
Right
good job.
there.
Okay, I'm gonna take these and put them in the fridge. Wipe, oh, that's our kitchen timer. We have to hurry. Okay, you guys, wipe your hands off because I'm gonna switch trays for you. And look, I'm gonna let you drizzle them with chocolate, okay? So I'm gonna put them right here. And I'm gonna take this and I'll actually set this on a towel. Let me set it on, can you move this, Carter? Let me set it on a towel right there. Okay, what you guys are gonna do, Seth, you can go stand right where I am, and let me show you what you're gonna do. Now don't touch the pan because it's hot,
All right.
but you can use the spoons you were using, or here's a couple of these. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna take the carob, and then you're gonna go like this. You're gonna just put some on the top, okay? And then you're gonna sprinkle that with chopped nuts. So you guys can come over here and spread apart a little bit. Carter, move over and let them in. And I'll move this over. And while you're doing that, I've made some so you guys can taste. Because we'll put those back in the refrigerator and let them harden. Is this fun?
Yeah.
Look what I made.
Ooh, this is good.
You guys are gonna get to try them. Boys and girls, don't those look delicious? Mmm. Can you get it? Okay, get this one too, Christiana. Oh, Christiana likes a lot of carob on hers, don't you? Who wants to try one?
Me.
Oh, that's our kitchen timer. That's all the time we have for now, boys and girls. But remember, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.